Yo, 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 yo. What's happening, people? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Right. Month of May. We're in it now. We're in it. We're in it. There we go. Hey, can you hear that drilling outside? Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. How's the sound? Let me check. My neighbors are always doing some type of construction. It's crazy. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Emmanuel, how are you doing, Emmanuel? Put that there, like. I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm good. Ready for the month of May. Ready to catch some trades. Ready to catch some trades today. Just a little. I think we're good. All right, let's do some analysis. Let's start with the daily time frame. So gold daily looks like it was going to create a wagwan spliff. Rosie, Benny, what's up, peoples? What's up? Look like a continuation pattern, which is where you get a strong bullish candle, a weak bearish candle, and then another bullish candle after that. So it's a 3 candlestick pattern where essentially we can break the highs and lows of the daily, or of the second candle. We can break the lows and the highs. I am expecting today to push up to at least 46.59 and fill Friday's top wick. It might seem a bit far out, a little 1,000 pips on a UK bank holiday, but I think it's possible. Depending on what broker you trade with, this 4-hour candle right here didn't have a bottom wick. No, sorry, it was here. Thursday. So it was looking for price to come down, create this bottom wick for this candle here, push down, create that wick, which we have. And when that happens, when we come down and create a wick for a previous candle that has no wick, the candle that pushes below tends to not close. We don't get a closure below that area. So literally this is it here. We push down, create the wick, and then we closed above. Then we usually get a push up. So that's kind of exactly what we spoke about in the meeting on Sunday. Looking for price to come down on gold first and then push up. So that's why I'm looking at buys on gold from, well, yeah, from down this area, to be fair. Only thing that might stop the gold buys might be war news, which we've had this morning. So we had a big drop on gold at 11 o'clock. This is all of this news here. All of this news. Well, it's the same thing over and over again. They were talking about a missile hitting a US ship, an Iranian missile hitting a ship. Bearish for gold, because if the war is ongoing, That's going to be bullish for DXY, the dollar index, and also oil. And then quickly after that, the US denied that happened. So then gold pushed back up. So that's what I'm really looking out for today. War news. We don't have any economic data out today. So should be, apart from war news, should just be normal market price action. Tuesday we got services PMI jolts. Wednesday we got ADP. Thursday nothing apart from unemployment claims, and then Friday got good old NFP. This news wasn't actually, this was orange folder when I looked at it yesterday. It got upgraded back to red. So yeah, looking at, I'm bullish on gold. Bullish on gold for now. Bullish on gold. Let me close this. Why doesn't that look creased? So yeah, anyone take any trades today? Any trades this morning? Anyone have a good London session? I wanted gold sells, but didn't find any entries. Now I'm waiting. Okay, you wanted some of the drop. Say focusing on gold since GJ markets are closed for bank holiday. Yes. We do have a bank holiday for the yen and the pound. Yeah, so that's why I wasn't even looking at GJ this morning as well. Although pound yen has been moving, we have had movement during Asian session. So we had a bit of a push up and then a drop, but this is too early for me. And now we're just ranging, so I'm not really expecting GJ to move, like you said, with those markets closed. Gold pushing up. Once gold broke the Asian lows. Oh, that's where you were looking for sales entry. That's why you were looking for sales entries. Got you. Okay. Yeah, I'm expecting a big move on gold. But to the upside, unless any war news comes out, that's if gold drops again. Reason I'm more bullish on gold as well is because we failed to really push much lower last week. I think we had ample opportunity. I was looking for FOMC to really give me that bearish bias, a strong bearish bias, but that didn't happen. So I think we had the sells into FOMC, but I think we're going up now, especially on the narrative from the Feds. I think gold is gonna head back up. I do. We're going back up. Right, let me keep an eye on this one, because this 4 hours the closest one to close. So that's old support. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Some water. Now, where can I look for some buys to get in? I was kind of looking to just chill on this Monday and watch and see how the market sets up. But I do like that the ideas I had. I like that the ideas I was looking for was kind of playing out. Like getting that bottom wick and then pushing up. I like it. I like it. If this 4 hour flips bullish and closes bullish in the next 39 minutes, yeah, I think gold's heading up. In fact, we do kind of have a double top right here. So let's see. 700 pips. It's not even played out. It's not even fully played out. It does close at like 4,500. And now we're getting a good push up. If we can close back up in this Asian range as well. But yeah, guys, I want this daily candle to flip bullish and we push up. Is it going up and down? Let's see what happens. Let's see. What are you guys' thoughts on gold today? What are you thinking about gold? Do you sometimes feel stressed when analyzing the market? No. Never stressed. Why do you feel stressed? What stresses you out about the market? When you get to the stage where I think I wouldn't get stressed because I have pretty clear analysis and things that I'm looking for, or I'm able to analyze the market in the way I want. If I can't, and if I don't have any trade ideas or like a plan for my trades, then I don't trade. I just won't trade. You know what I'm saying? If I feel like the market's confusing me or I'm just uncertain, then it's no trade for me. I need to really have a good plan for what I'm doing, and then that's how you keep your cool. I think it's because there are plenty of things running through my head. Yes, yeah, that will definitely do it. That would, it's not being sure of yourself or what's going on. It can be quite frustrating. No, I get it. I get it. I definitely get it. That's what I mean about having a plan. If you have a plan, like step by step, things that you're following, rules, how you're attacking the market, a routine.
You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump.
It takes away a bit of that stress, but too much overthinking and uncertainty, yeah, that'll get into your head, man. Definitely get into your head. Now, if gold doesn't want to push up, if gold does decide to sell, I wouldn't even be surprised. Look, the daily candles very bearish. We did break Friday's low, so we might not get that push up today, but I think in the long run we do push back up. DXY is coming down. That's pretty bullish for gold. Yeah. Took me a few years to be comfortable with the markets. Yes, Benny, yes. Yeah, it's you'll never just get trading in one day. I don't even think in a year people fully understand trading. It's constant learning. But confidence in what you're doing or your ability to even be able to trade, that comes from practicing, applying like what you've learned, collecting your data, backtesting, journaling, reviewing your trading day at the end of the day, after a session, all that. You'll get there. You'll get there. Trust me. All right, we had a little pullback. Didn't quite reach this resistance. Quite reach. Pushing back up. looks so creased. That's not cool. Right, let's see how the next 30-minute candle opens. Let's see. But if this 4-hour flip bullish, the reason I think it would, I thought it would push up, because look, the 4 hours would be creating higher lows, something like this. See, not here, but you know, create a higher low, bit flipped. It would be something like that. This side. Ash, what's up, Ash? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. See gold wick down to create that daily bottom wick. Oh yeah. Oh yes it did. Yes it did. Created that wick and pushed right back up. Yes sir. Actually put a picture in the Discord. Talking about gold coming down. Anybody catch any moves to start the day? Nah, I was looking at the buyers up. I wanted the buyers up, to be honest. I wanted the buyers, even though I wanted like the sells. And he said I missed the sells. Well, no setup. Yeah, nothing for me yet. Just woke up. Okay. No, you didn't trade Asian session this week then, I guess. No Sunday moves. Asian session did not look good last night. Asian session did not look good. Apart from this, filling this little gap that it created, which you did say it looked like we was going to gap up based on that USDT, gold USDT. So that played out perfectly well. It translated well. Gapped up, filled the wick, and then look at this. What is this? What is this? You're just gonna 200 pips up and down all Asian session. Crazy work. I had people over for dinner, so no Asian session for me. Ah, okay. All right, well, let's get a NY session cracking. I wonder if Asian session moved like this because it was a yen bank holiday. Not to say that the yen pretty much dominates Asian session, but I wonder. This is crazy work. I think gold has come down far enough for today. I think. do you reckon? You reckon the 4 hour can flip bullish before the candle closes, 25 minutes? I would like buys. If price came back down to this support and gave it another retest, I would look for buys if this area holds. So this level here, it's literally a 4 hour and 30-minute support. I would love that. Then if the next 4 hour candle opens, even if it closes above 45.69, if it closes above this little 4 hour support here, or even the next candle doesn't break this current 4 hour low, which I don't know, I don't think it will, and it gives us another support, I think we get a good push up. Evan, how you doing, Evan? It's not looking good. If we start breaking this 30-minute low, maybe we come down a little more. I'm doing well. How are you? You said the double top plays out around 4,500. Yes. I think it was like 700 pips from here. I did say that. If this is the neckline, yeah, it's about 700 to the top, so 700 at the bottom. Yeah, it's about 4,500 if gold comes back down, but I don't know, yo. I don't know if gold comes back. I don't know. I don't know. That's why I'm just watching gold right now. I'm watching. Like, I have my ideas. I want gold buys. I'm happy that we've come down, created that bottom wick. So for me, that was where I was expecting the sells to happen, or why I expected the sells to happen. I don't really expect the sells to continue. So that's where I'm at. Now I'm just looking for a good place to get into some buys to push back up. I would like the daily continuation pattern to play out, but we are like 1,000. Well, earlier on, gold had actually moved 1,000 pips from the daily flip. We had a look. Now, can gold push up 1,000 pips? I mean, if it can drop 1,000 pips till now, why can't it go back up the rest of the day? And we're not even 1,000 pips away. How far are we from the daily flip now? We are only 600 pips away. Yeah, man, gold can do that. We can do that. A little 600 pips. And I'm not just expecting it to flip bullish on the daily. I'm expecting it to fill Friday's top wick. So I guess, yeah, I do want 1,000 pips. I want 1,000 pips from where we're at right now. By the end of the day. Rosie, put the call in. Put the call in. We want 46.50 today, please. 46.50, 46.60. He said done. I know that's right. That wind. That wind? Get on the buyer's bus. Come on, Ben. You should get on the buyer's bus. Get on the buyer's bus. It's going to be an interesting Monday. Interesting Monday. Interesting start to May. I mean, Friday was already pretty interesting. Friday, you know, we had a big drop and then a pullback up. The indecision there, you know, from the push up. But look, I really want to see how this 4-hour candle closes. Even if it closes weak bearish, I think we get a push up. Then once we break this high, I especially think we get a push up if we close above this 4-hour support here. So 16 minutes and we'll see. Now if we close below this support here, we may get a bit of a push down. To fill some of this bottom wick, maybe. But as long as we don't break this 4-hour low, I think there's still a high probability of coming back up. Yeah, and then we create a higher low, but preferably it closes about 45.69 for the buyers. preferably. But you know, gold's gonna do what gold wants to do. GG, I don't know why I'm looking at pound yen. You know that thing ain't gonna do nothing. Nothing. Let's hope we don't get any more war headlines, because this drop and push up is literally just war headlines. 2 war headlines. Iran attack to US ship. Big drop. Big drop. Look at this. This is most of the daily candle. 480 pips, 490 pips. Then they were like, nope, didn't happen. Pushed back up. So I'm hoping we don't get any more news headlines and crazy volatility. We definitely need to keep an eye on it though. We welcome the US plan to guide ships through Hormuz. Okay. I wish I was up when it dipped past 45, 41. I called that area for entries. But we'll see how things shape out. Huge H4 wick rejection. Yeah. I hope it closes like this, because then I think we get a good push. Yep. Exactly that. So it's not even a massive target for today, but it is a wick fill of Friday's daily candle, daily top wick. So 46.59. Perfect. To be honest, after you get this headline, the US official denies a US ship was hit by missiles, I think Trump says something today. I think we get more. I think they start pushing the narrative that they're still calming the war down, because they want to. That's what's pushing the stock market. That's what's making everything go up. So it's in their best interest to, you know, keep things died down. Look at Nas. Look, everything dropped on that war headline. Everything had a pullback. And now it's slowly trickling back up. So I think they tried to dead any news about the war escalating just to keep the markets high. So, you know, and then 600 pips is nothing for gold. 600 pips back to the daily flip, at least. Go on, give us that push. 4-hour flip bullish. Oh, we up. We up. Up. Forex. Just a waiting game now. Just a waiting game. Just waiting for candles to close. How we want them to. Dun, dun, dun. Now I'm thinking about buy entries, probably on the new 4-hour. It opens, creates a little bottom wick. Obviously, I don't think it comes too far down here. If we don't break the 4-hour high now, I mean, if we don't push up now, flip bullish and push up, I think a good entry would be, yeah, like when the new 4-hour flips bullish, or if it breaks this high to then continue up, because we have clean candles to the left as well. Very clean candles to the left. What's that, above 45.86, 45.84, 85 after the bottom wick and a flip. Yeah. Nice. Boom, 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 boom. Do. 6 minutes. 6 minutes to go. We're closing about 45.69. Maybe. Oh, don't come back down, gold. Don't come back down. Stay up. Stay up for me. Stay up for me, Goldie. Keep going. One hour looks good too. 1 hour looks good. Oh. I want gold closing above this 4 hour support. I do. Where is it? 45. Yeah, 45.69, man. 45.69 is good for me. Next 2 minutes. Go on, go. Give us a good. Let's give us 100 pip push just to close the hour. Why not? Just clear it. 100 pip push, close above. So first area of resistance, or where I could see might stall price, is Asian lows. So 45.91. Maybe there. Then above there would be the daily flip. Not even Asian highs, but the daily flip. And then after the daily flip, I think that's it. I think we're outie. My bad. I was trying to get caught up on my duo while waiting for gold. Did you mention that H1 and H4 double top? Yeah. A couple times. It actually ends. I think Rosie did arts about it too. So it plays out at 4,500. 4,500 around there. Even a bit below if gold was to continue selling. So definitely got my eye on that. I mean, the first thing I said was, look, the daily's bearish, the 4 hours bearish, the daily broke Friday's low, 4 hours breaking lows, respecting highs. So we are looking bearish. But if we start creating higher lows, especially on a 4 hour time frame, I think that would be a good place for gold to start pushing up. So if I was looking at how this 4 hour candle is going to close, if it closes below this 4 hour support, I was thinking maybe we get a wick fill, like we push down. Wasn't really expecting this 4 hour to close too bearish, or at least below where it created this bottom wick. So yeah, a push up was definitely on the cards. Now it's just looking for other confirmations. Now I'm just looking at some other confirmations for what price wants to do now, what gold wants to do now. But yeah, that double top, I was definitely eyeing that double top. Gold, what are we doing? Look, right before we close, we drop back down. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Look how it closed, right on the support. Yeah, didn't like that. I don't like where it closed. What's up, Phantom? Yeah, man, feeling good. That's right. Potential gold buys back up to the daily candle open. But I think we may get a 4 hour wick fill first at this rate, because liking that. You just opened and dropped. Opened and just dropped. Barely a top wick. Really feeling that, to be honest. Not feeling that at all. Not even 1 minute and it's moving mad. It's moving crazy. This is not good. That's why you gotta wait for these candles to close, man. I was thinking we was getting the buys. We had a nice push up and then just not feeling how this 4-hour candle closed right here. I'm not, to be honest with you. But maybe that was just a 4-hour creating a bottom wick. You know, getting that bottom wick out the way. Drive down. Don't fill this wick. Flip up and then create. You know, this could be a strong support if we get a push up from here. Maybe. I'm holding gold buys due to the DXY SMT confirmation. So I'll be done for the day and get my third payout. Oh, well done, man. Well done. Well done. Where did you get in? What was your entry? What was your entry? This music. Some of these songs are just higher and lower. It's good. But yeah, that was quite a push down to start the candle. 100 pip drop immediately. Congrats, yeah, man. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna take it easy today because it's how gold is acting right now. I do want the buys up, but look, we're not breaking. We've broken a previous low. The candle before is quite indecisive, and we've already broken that previous low there. 45.56. Okay. So we're still in some profits. See what the IC 4 hours looking like. Oh, that was a push up. Yo, gold is this week looks insane. Have you seen the Forex calendar? Oh yeah, every day. In fact, was looking at it yesterday and this was orange. This was an orange fold and then all of a sudden it's become red again. Back red like it was supposed to be. Let's see. I want this 4 hour to come up and create this top wick though, because what are we doing? What are we even doing? This one. Do you have a top wick? It's just tiny. It's very small top wick. Shake my head. Yeah, gold's playing games right now. Gold's playing games. But I do like where this 4 hour closed. It closed weak bearish and it closed right on this 4 hour level, right in this like support zone. So I mean, the new 4 hour candle, we needed to have a bottom wick. So to me, it's like it was quickly creating that bottom wick to then give us that drive up. That's what it looked like it was gonna do. 30-minute continuation pattern maybe. Right, exactly. So we could get a wick fill right here, break the high and push up. Yes, yes, yes. I see that. I see that. I see that. Let's go, Goldie. Let's go. I see the 30-minute continuation pattern. Through a fib on H1, I monitor gold from there. H4 is still in bearish structure too, so maybe the double top, but we'll see conflicting signs. Yes. Yeah. One thing with gold, and it's done it to me before, I was looking at I think I was looking at maybe a double top, but then it turned into a double bottom. I was looking at a double bottom and then it ended up being a double top. So I can't remember it was. I'll have to go back and look. But yeah, I'm waiting, man. I'm waiting. No rush, no rush, no rush. Furthest I want to see gold drop is down to 4,500 anyway. Well, it all starts with, if we get a push up, flip bearish, we get a push up and don't break this previous 4 hour high, and then we start to sell back down, I think we drop a bit more before we come back up. Look at this. You gotta check when the price starts moving crazy. You have to check headlines. You have to. You have to. The US is opening up the straight. Sure it is. UAE issues potential missile threat alert. We gotta be careful today, guys. We gotta be careful. Honestly. Dollar yen falls below 156. Continuing downward trend. Did speak about this in the meeting on Saturday as well. USD JPY being bearish. Maybe leading us to have bearish GJ for a while. just based on the strength of JPY. Nah, look, look at this. What is this? This was today. This was today, because we did speak about the GJ. We did look at the GJ drop. Look at that. Yeah, I'm leaving GJ for a minute. Whatever's happening with the yen and USD, I'm gonna just figure out what direction they're going and then trade after I have some confirmations of that. Cause boy. Do we get the wick fill? Just about got the wick fill. If we can break that high though, the previous candle, I think we get a good push up. Ash, you said you put a fib on the H1 for sells or for buys? For sells, I presume. What was that? Continuation pattern played out. Are we done? We done? We done here? Nothing more to see? So look, we came up, we didn't break the previous 30-minute high, but we did break the 30-minute low. Are we selling? We actually broke the 1 hour lows too. We broke the 1 hour lows. I put H1 for sell since it's the most recent price action. Got you, got you. I thought so. I asked, but I kind of already knew the answer. It would have to be anyway, because where would the bullish fib be? Like, if this is the low, where's the high? Doi. It's like we might get a lot of war headlines today. It's been popping since this morning, since early. I don't know, I got an iffy feeling about gold today. Oh yeah, I'm chilling today. I am chilling on gold today. I don't trust. And all of these headlines that have been, since I've started trading this morning, look how much headlines there's been. This is just this morning. There have been so many headlines already of like war escalation. So we're gonna see some big moves, very strong whipsaws up and down. I'm not feeling that. We had a quiet week last week, but I don't think we're gonna get that quiet week this week. And then that on top of all the stuff on the calendar. I'm waiting for Trump to either say we're attacking or we're ceasefire stuff. I feel like he's gonna say something today. But we'll see it in the candles first, and then we'll see the headline after. That's usually how it goes. Not feeling today as well, Benny. I said it earlier. If the market is not giving me a clear direction, I'm not going to trade it. I'm always going to have ideas of what I want to see, how things play out. You're going to do your analysis and then say, you know what? This is my analysis for the day. If things don't... Well, you do analysis as the market's open, don't you? But if things look weird or if things ain't setting up, then just chill. Just chill. Just noticed a small inconsistency on the 4-hour RSI versus the real chart. A very baby hidden divergence. Oh God. Yeah, there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. I wonder will that daily continuation pattern come to play with that straight opening news? I know. This is where they said it's not even a straight opening, but they said there was nothing happened. At first they said there was a missile that hit the US, and then straight after they said no, there wasn't, and we had to push up. I thought that was going to carry gold all the way up. I really thought that was the news. That was like, okay, cool. War de-escalation. Let's look at the DXY actually. After DXY is looking bearish, then we can expect buys on gold. It is kind of looking bearish, but I don't want to force nothing. We did have a 1 hour engulfing on the last 1 hour candle. Kind of looks like a inverted head and shoulders here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Alright, sorry, let me get off the XY. I love when we play Is That Head and Shoulder, my favorite trade game. It does look like it though, innit? Or is it me? Even better there. Better head and shoulders. Looks like it to me. So, you know, if it comes, I don't know if it comes down to the neckline, but let's see where it actually plays out, because neckline is here to here, 35. Ends about 98.50, 98.60. Structurally, if H1 is in an uptrend, the current price area gold retesting, retracing an old higher low. What do you think? I do like buys from here, and it's mainly because of where gold closed right here. How the 4-hour closed. It closed very weak bearish. It closed on this 4-hour support. So I like gold pushing up and creating like a double bottom from here to go up. I can see that happening. And especially if we don't get a wick fill on this 4-hour. But we have so much time left. We have so much time left in this 4-hour candle that, you know, we could come down a bit more first and then slowly start to push up. On the lower time frames, we've got the 1 hour, which has broken the previous 1 hour low, which is not a great sign. It's not a great sign, so I'm thinking maybe down a bit more first and then up. I don't see confirmations for buys just yet. I don't see any buy confirmations. I don't like this price action. Yeah, just gotta wait, man. Just wait. Just patience. That's all. Just wait for more information. See what's really going on. But yeah, there's nothing going on just yet, I don't think. Nas is pushing up. Just be patient. Just be patient. Maybe we do get some type of news headline that gives us that boost back up. But that's another thing why I'm not really I'm not trying to rush into anything today, because we did have a couple news headlines and some sharp price action, and we don't know when that's coming out. So any trade I get into has to be at a really good entry. Bam, bam. Dun, dun. Oh, good old Mondays. Good old Mondays. So Mondays can either really start the week off right, as in we get a good push, or it can just be very quiet and slow. Bear in mind, we've got Asian session and London session both on a bank holiday. So that's pretty much 2 sessions closed. And yen pair is very important to the Forex market. It's the safe haven. They're closed. London's closed. I think most of the EU was closed on Friday. They had their bank holiday on Friday. Alright, so we got market open. We closed pretty bearish on gold, breaking that previous low. So I think we might be dropping a bit more before we come up. Be a bit more of a drop before the push. See what DXY is doing. Market open, guys. Market open. See how much of this previous 4-hour candle wick gets filled on Goldie. Let's see. But we broke that previous 30-minute low already. It's giving sells, which is good. That means we get, if we do get the buys, we get it from a better position. We get it from a bit lower. You know what I mean? So I'll be looking at buys if we retest 45, 42. That's what I'll be looking at. Maybe getting an entry, or lower, 4,500 if price comes down. Oh, pushing up. Oh, we're pushing up from here. Okay. Yo, gold. Let's just sit back and watch gold today, guys. Let's just sit back and chill. Let's just chill. Let's just see what gold wants to tell us for today, and then yeah, relax. Don't let gold stress you out today, guys. Don't let gold stress you out. Bum, 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 bum. More of a top wick on this 4 hour. Do you reckon? Reckon we get that push? Break the previous 4 hour high. Take off. Right, let's see how this IC Markets 4 hour candle looks. Ooh, look at that. Damn. I don't like this. I don't like how this candle looks right here. It's a very strong support on the 4 hour on the IC Markets chart. 45.61. Very strong support, and we actually keep pushing up from this level. Every time price drops back here, look, this is where we're pushing up, right from that zone, right from that zone. Dum, 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 dum. 30-minute break in lows, but not highs. I wouldn't mind gold coming down, retracing a bit of that prior H4O and a wick action, then pushing up. Yeah. Yeah, I can see gold coming down before it goes up. I can see it coming down a bit more. I would like to see a reversal pattern on a lower time frame. A reversal pattern like, you know, on a lower time frame, so like a double bottom or like a bullish engulfing, something like that. But I don't see it happening here. I don't see it happening here. Oh, DXY coming down. That's good for gold. DXY is dropping. Oh yeah. Go to the moon. Go to the moon. What's Nas doing? What's nasty Nas doing? Ooh, Nas is coming down. No bueno. Yo. Oh. Happy Monday. Alright, so this 30-minute candle, look, 30-minute candles, like Benny said, the 30-minute candles are breaking these lows, but they're not breaking the highs. That's not giving me an indication that price is trying to go up just yet. This is a lot of I want to say confusion. But it's confused. Oh, Nas is pushing back up. And we're coming back down. Yo, gold swinging up and down 50 pips in a matter of minutes is just, it's mad to me. It's mad to me. And up 50 pips again. Ba-da-da-da-ba-ba-da. I guess I'm spectating only today. Hey, if it doesn't feel right, don't force it. Don't force it. That's all I'm saying. Gold doesn't seem to do much more later. Yeah, I don't think so. I think if we get a headline, you know, like a war headline, then we're gonna see something, but maybe late today. Late today. I don't really like what's happening now. You know what I mean? We're pushing up from a little minor support, but we're breaking previous 30-minute lows. We're swinging up and down 50 pips. Only thing that's bullish for gold, like really bullish for gold, is the fact that the DXY is coming down. Feel you perhaps during the NYPM? Most likely it'll be a late move, a very late move. But these 4-hour candles now, these 4-hour candles and the way they are, we're not getting much of a drop with the O and the 4-hour. We've got a nice bottom wick. I think if we flip bullish and actually start to drive up and break 45.85, I think there's a high probability we keep pushing. I want to see how this 4-hour candle closes. If it holds at this support here, if it holds above this level, which has been pretty strong, we've had 2 good pushes up from here into resistance where the daily flip is. So it's quite a big range that gold is playing in right now. How big is this range? 680, 690 pip range. Not bad, not bad. $68. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so you know how it goes. Last 5 minutes of this hour candle is when we start seeing some good movement. maybe even 5 to 10 minutes of this hour candle. Gold starts shaking. Gold starts shaking. Or are we gonna re-break this low and push down? I can see that happening. Last 10 minutes. Oh, flip bearish. Oh, I think we get a drop now. I think we get a bit of a drop for the last 10 minutes. What gold does, man. Right towards the end of this hour candle. Let's see. Maybe fill out some of this candle body a bit more. Let's see if that's what gold wants to do right now. What are you trying to do right now, Goldie? Do you imagine if it flipped bullish and just like shot up? Nah, don't do that, gold. Don't do that. Just 1 hour closing. bum. Market open. How we closing? Just checking for any sneaky low impact 3 p.m. news. That might be orange folder, but nah, I remember that from yesterday. Alright, we're nearly in the last 5 minutes. Little drive down. Maybe a closure below this little 30-minute support. Maybe not. Ooh. Oh, this is sad gold, man. This is very sad. What are you waiting for? I'm waiting for some confirmations. I would like to see... I want to see how much of this 4-hour bottom wick gold fills down here, to be honest. I want to see at least some type of reversal pattern. I feel you. I'm waiting for at least, yeah, just confirmations of what price is doing. I haven't spotted anything yet that's given me confidence about where price is going. We're holding on this lower time frame support, on this 30-minute support, but the 30-minute candles are respecting the previous highs, breaking the lows. 1-hour lows have been broken and highs have been respected as well. But again, we're holding on quite a strong level. So I need that level to either be broken I need the level to be broken or to hold as confirmation of where price wants to go, but I don't have any of that yet. I've just got to wait for candles to close. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for candles to close. Yeah, the structure right now is bearish though. The structure right now is currently bearish, and if we're playing the higher time frames, the daily's bearish, the 4 hours currently bearish, so the sells right now make more sense. Price is playing by the H1 engulfing point. Price is playing it really is. Price swinging pips too. Man, we're swinging up and down 50, 60 pips within these 30-minute candles. We're not getting a straight drive down. We're not getting a straight drive up. We're not breaking structure. We're just laying in between these prices right now. So let's see how the new 1 hour candle opens and behaves. But yeah, I'm not trying to rush into nothing, man. I said it as soon as the stream started. I'm watching and waiting. Watching and waiting. M30 continuation pattern. Ooh. Oof. Maybe if we get a nice weak closure. Yeah, it looks like it. Does look like it. See if next candle just opens and drives down. Little top wick. Burst through. Alright, how did the 1 hour close? Look at this 4 hour. Look at this. It closed right on this support. Well, not right on the support, but it's still holding this support. So maybe bottom wick and then push up. I don't want to be calling the lows though. That's the thing. I need very good confirmation that price is going up if it does. So I'm not trying to call any low points. I do see a continuation pattern. I don't like that it's into this little support though. If the 30-minute is gonna still respect the previous highs, break the lows, then I can see gold coming down a bit.
sole provider. What the streets want.
Looks like that continuation pattern might play out. Go on, give us a push now, gold. Just a bit of a push. What's the XY doing? Just a little bit of a push. Looking at that. Go on, gold. Just a bit more. Just a little bit more down. Alright, so let's plan for the rest of the session. If gold continues down a bit more, I want to see how it reacts to some levels below. So this level down here, 45.42. I want to see what gold does if it comes down here. If we sell, this is where I'm looking for a reaction back down here, which is also this 4-hour support. Further, now the 4-hour double top actually plays out by 4,500, just below 4,500. So if gold does break below this previous 4-hour low, fill the wick and keep driving down, I'm looking at how gold reacts at 4,500 and then probably buys up from there if it does come down some more. That's what I'm looking for gold today. That's the idea. They're close to breaking the previous 1-hour low. 50 pips away. Yeah. But I would say, guys, just be cautious of news. Be cautious of any headlines, because we are getting some headlines and I don't think they'll be the last of the day. They've been kind of sprinkled over each session. So, you know, I would advise you get in, get out of your trades. Get in and get out. Don't get smacked. Don't be too greedy. Take your money. Take your money. You know, tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a new day. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna keep an eye on the markets for like another hour. And yeah, I'll be actively trading for another hour and then see how the day ends up. But I'm gonna keep my eye on it. I'm gonna keep my eye on it a little bit, you know. But yeah, guys, appreciate you for joining. Appreciate you for joining. Yeah, guys, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out. Be careful today, man. Be careful. This gold is wicking up and down 50-60 pips. So be careful. Alright, guys, peace out, peace out, peace out. See you later, Ash, Benny, everybody in here. Peace out, guys. Peace out.